Hey everyone, welcome back to a new brand video from WEBA. Today we are going to put these two smartwatches to the test. They are both super affordable watches and we are going to test them under extreme conditions, inside the freeze of course. Let's find out if they can actually survive the cold. And you can see this watch right here works perfectly fine, and this one is also working really well. So we are going to leave them in the freeze for 10 minutes and we will come back and check if they still power on and work properly. Let's run the test. Okay, being totally honest, I really thought they weren't going to work anymore after I put them in my freezer, but it turns out they actually did work. As you can see, they look kind of sweaty, probably because of the ice melting. It's super cool. I thought they were going to break for sure, but nope. They're still working perfectly after the ice and cold test. Now, one of the watches did run out of battery, but once they plugged in back then, it is still turns on. So yeah, it lost charge, but it does work. It can survive the cold. If you like the video, please give it a like, drop a comment and share it with your friends. And that's all for now. Bye bye.